Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Stokes theorem. The surface integral of the normal component of the curl of a vector function f over an open surface S is equal to the line integral of the tangential component of f around the closed curve C bounding double integral del cross f dot n cap ds equal to integral f dot dr. First, S means surface integral, C closed line integral. Problem: verify Stokes theorem for the function f vector is equal to x square I vector plus xyj vector integrated around the square in the z is equal to 0. Sides x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is equal to a, y is equal to a. Verify Stokes theorem. F vector is equal to x square I vector plus xyj vector integrated round a square. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is equal to a, y is equal to a. Stokes theorem. Integral f dot dr is equal to double integral curl f vector dot n cap ds. Line integral equal to surface integral. First, we have to draw the diagram x-axis, y-axis is a square. OA, AB, BC, CO, four sides of the square. X-axis, y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. Here y is equal to 0. Next, x is equal to 0. Y-axis, x is equal to 0. X-axis, y is equal to 0. Y-axis, x is equal to 0. Opposite face x is equal to a. Opposite face y is equal to a. Y is equal to 0. Here y is equal to a. X is equal to 0. X is equal to a. Origin 0, 0. Origin 0, 0. X 0, y 0. So origin 0, 0. Here a point xa, y 0. xa, y 0. So a, 0. This point B xa, ya. So xa, ya. B point. Next C point x0, ya. x0, ya. 0, a. xy plane z equal to 0. dr vector is equal to dx I vector plus dy j vector. Limit first OA limit 0 to a. OA x axis, x limit 0, here x limit a. 0 to a. OA limit 0 to a. Lower limit a, upper limit. Lower limit 0, upper limit a. Next AB. AB here y axis. Y axis 0 to a. Y limit 0 to a. Next BC. BC x axis. Here x limit a. Here x 0. So a to 0. BC is equal to BC limit a to 0. CO. C to O. Y axis. Y axis. Here 0. Y axis here a. Here 0. A to 0. OA 0 to a. AB 0 to a. BC a to 0. CO a to 0. First we have to find left hand side. LHS. LHS there are four faces. OA, AB, BC, CO. OA line integral f dot dr plus AB f dot dr, BC f dot dr, CO f dot dr. Now we are going to find the value f vector dot dr vector. F vector x square I vector plus xy j vector dot dr vector dxi vector plus dyj vector. Dot product x square into dx. I dot I is equal to 1. X square into dx. Multiply x square into dx. Here j dot j is equal to 1. xy into dy. xy into dy. X square into dx. xy into dy. Next, to find OA. OA, limit 0 to a. F dot dr. F dot dr x square dx plus xy dy. X square dx plus xy dy. In OA, y is equal to 0. Differentiation y with respect to x is 0. dy is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. Differentiate dy is equal to 0. X square dA. Here dy is equal to 0. Here the second term is 0. xy dy 0. dy is equal to 0. The second term 0. Remaining x square into dx. X square dx. X square integration n plus 1 x to the power n dx formula. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. X power 3 by 3. N plus 1. 2 plus 1 3. N plus 1 by n plus 1. 3 by 3. Limit 0 to a. 0 to a. Put x is equal to a. A cube by 3. OA value a cube by 3. Second, to find AB. AB, same limit 0 to a f dot dr. F dot dr x square dx plus xy dy. Here x is equal to a. Constant differentiate with respect to x is 0. Dx equal to 0. Constant differentiation is 0. Here dx equal to 0. So this term is 0. Remaining xy dy. Xy dy limit 0 to a. Lower limit a, upper limit. Lower limit 0, upper limit a. Now we substitute x is equal to a. Put x is equal to a ay dy. Integration 0 to a ay dy. Y dy integration y square by 2. A is constant. Limit 0 to a. 0 to a. Put y is equal to a. A square by 2. Here a. So a into a square equal to a cube by 2. Next, first OA. Next AB. Next BC. BC f dot dr integral f dot dr limit a to 0. A to 0. Here y is equal to a. Differentiate is 0. Constant differentiation 0. dy is equal to 0. A to 0 integration x square dx plus xy dy. F dot dr is equal to x square dx plus xy dy. Now we substitute y is equal to a, dy is equal to 0. Dy is equal to 0. The second term is 0. Remaining x square dx. X square dx integration x cube by 3. Limit a to 0. Upper limit minus lower limit. First we substitute 0. Upper limit is 0 minus lower limit. Put x is equal to a cube by 3. The result is minus a cube by 3. F dot dr x square I plus xyj vector dot dxi plus dyj vector. CO a to 0 limit a to 0 f dot dr. F dot dr x square into dx plus xy into dy. X square dx plus xy dy. X is equal to 0. Differentiate. X differentiate. X equal to 0. Dx equal to 0. Here x is equal to 0. Dx equal to 0. First term 0. First term 0. X also 0. X equal to 0. So 0 into y. Divide. The total term 0. Xy dy. X equal to 0. Answer 0. Add the four sides. OA plus AB plus BC plus CO. OA answer A cube by 3. AB answer A cube by 2. BC answer minus A cube by 3. CO answer 0. CO 0. Plus A cube by 3 minus A cube by 3 cancel. Remaining A cube by 2. LHS equal to A cube by 2. To find right hand side, surface integral double integral del cross f dot n cap ds. Del cross f vector is curl f vector. Curl f vector dot n cap ds. First, del cross f vector. Cross product I vector, j vector, k vector. Coefficient of del vector. I coefficient dou by dou x, j coefficient dou by dou y, k coefficient dou by dou x is constant. F vector, in this problem, a given f value x square I, put x square here, next j vector, xy j vector, put xy here, k is not given, 0. To find, now we have to find k vector only. K vector only, close the third column. Close the third column. Remaining dou by dou x, dou by dou y, x square xy. Determinant of this. Dou by dou x into xy. Dou by dou x into xy minus dou by dou y into x square. Dou by dou y into x square. K vector. We close the k vector. So with differentiate with respect to x is equal to 1, remaining y. X square, here no y term. So differentiation is not possible. So 0. Y k vector. Del cross f is equal to y k vector. Now the formula. Double integral del cross f vector yk vector dot n cap is a k vector. N cap is equal to k vector. N cap is equal to k vector. ds is equal to dx dy. N cap is equal to k vector. ds is equal to dx dy. K dot k 1. Double integral y dx dy, remaining y into dx dy. X limit is 0 to a, y limit 0 to a. Solve the double integral. First we integrate x dx. Dx integration x. Limit 0 to a. Upper limit minus lower limit. X limit a. Put x is equal to a. Lower limit 0. X, here the answer a. Y a into dy. Next remaining integral 0 to a. A is constant, y dy. Y power 1 dy. Y dy. Y power 1 integration y square by 2. Limit 0 to a. Put y is equal to a. A square by 2. A into a square by 2 is equal to a cube by 2. LHS equal to RHS. Stokes theorem is proved. Thank you.